Grab your tea, bestie, because we're breaking down the Hailey Bieber versus Selena Gomez saga from their early days, beauty brand rivalry, to all the messy internet drama. Plus, glam up with my press-on nails and lip gloss collection from my Shopify beauty store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because part 2 is coming soon. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Get comfy, grab your snacks, and let's get into this Hollywood tea. Because today, we're talking about Hailey Bieber confronting Selena Gomez, the online drama, and how their beauty brands Rhode and Rare Beauty have everyone talking. We're diving deep like we're on FaceTime gossiping with our besties. So grab your gloss, pour your tea, and let's get into it. So let's rewind to where it all began. Selena Gomez and Justin Bieber, the internet's Jelena couple, were the definition of young love. Everyone was obsessed, even Hailey Baldwin. Before she became Mrs. Bieber, once tweeted that she was 100% Team Jelena. But fast forward a few years, Justin and Selena broke up, and just a few months later, Justin married Hailey. And babe, the internet lost it. Fans were deep diving into timelines, comparing old interviews, and trying to piece together every detail like detectives. Then came the beauty brand era. Hailey launched Rhode, and it became an instant skincare sensation later, even being acquired by ELF Beauty for $1 billion. Selena, on the other hand, was thriving with Rare Beauty, one of the most inclusive and empowering makeup brands at Sephora. But of course, the internet couldn't let two successful women just win in peace. Fans started comparing product lines, branding aesthetics, and even packaging. Hailey said in an interview, "I don't feel competitive with people I'm not inspired by." And boom, that was all it took for people to assume she was shading Selena. Meanwhile, Selena posted a calm, now-deleted story saying, "Leave the girl alone." And girl, that's when the fire really caught flame. The fans went wild. TikToks were popping up with side-by-side comparisons, and Twitter threads were dissecting their every move. It was giving detective energy, okay? But while the world was gossiping, both women were trying to move on and focus on their projects. Still, every little thing, a liked comment, a photo, a story, kept reigniting the drama. It's like the internet refuses to let them breathe. Now here's where things got spicy. Insiders claimed Hailey may have confronted Selena at a Fashion Week event, and while nothing dramatic happened, the tension was definitely there. They supposedly had a brief chat, and even though details stayed private, one source said it was emotional but respectful. Of course, social media ran with it, analyzing body language, smiles, and outfits. The fan edits? Crazy. It was like a real-life Netflix episode. Hailey's Rhode is all about clean, minimalist luxury skincare, that glazed donut glow. Selena's Rare Beauty is about embracing imperfections and mental health. They have completely different vibes, yet the internet loves turning it into competition. Some beauty insiders even call it a business rivalry disguised as a celebrity feud, which honestly makes sense because both are thriving in their own lanes, but comparisons fuel clicks and clicks fuel chaos. And then there's Justin. Girl, the Jelena timeline is still haunting this story. Fans will not let go. They love to pick apart every lyric, every caption, every red carpet glance, trying to link it back to old heartbreaks. But both women have said publicly that they've moved on. Selena's focusing on healing and growth. Hailey's building her empire. It's giving grown woman energy, and I love that for them. Apparently, there's even more behind the scenes. Sources say that after the Fashion Week moment, Hailey and Selena actually spoke privately. One insider told a blogger that it wasn't dramatic, but it was emotional. Fans think this was the moment they finally decided to move past the beef. But you know how social media is. Even when two women make peace, the internet still finds a way to stir the pot. And can we talk about the fans for a second? Because babes, the comment sections are wild. Every post, whether it's Hailey promoting Rhode or Selena sharing a self-care quote, turns into a battleground. It's like the fans won't allow peace. Some even say the fan base drama is bigger than the actual celebrity tension. But both women, they've been showing real growth. Hailey's been expanding Rhode globally, while Selena continues advocating for mental health through Rare Beauty. It's actually beautiful, both of them using their platforms to promote self-love instead of competition. This feud low-key shows the power of reinvention. Hailey went from influencer to business mogul. Selena from pop star to entrepreneur and advocate. It's not just drama, it's evolution. And that's what keeps people watching. At the end of the day, it's more than gossip. It's about how women navigate pressure, growth, and public judgment. It's a reminder that confidence, self-love, and peace will always outshine comparison. And honestly, that's the message we all need right now. While we're sipping this tea, don't forget to treat yourself, babes. Head over to my Shopify beauty store for the cutest press-on nails and glossy lip glosses to match your vibe. Confidence is your best accessory. Keep shining, and stay tuned because part 2 is coming and it's about to get even spicier. Team Hailey or Team Selena? Drop it in the comments, but remember, good vibes only. While you're at it, grab some glam from my Shopify beauty shop. Press-ons, glosses, self-care, because we glow different when we feel good. And trust me, part 2 will have even more tea. This celebrity drama is wild, but your glow is the real spotlight, babe. Pamper yourself with my press-ons and glosses. They're literally your instant confidence boost. And remember, self-love is always trending. Stay tuned for part 2. It's giving gossip, glam, and growth. That's it for today's tea, ladies. Treat yourself, shine bright, and remember, gossip fades, but your confidence, that's forever. Grab your nails and gloss, and I'll see you in part 2 where we dig even deeper into this Hollywood saga. Stay gorgeous, stay kind, and stay tuned.